At 8 a.m., Riya begins her day with a fresh cup of coffee and a quick look at her emails. New challenges and opportunities
That's the update for
are
today.
already waiting for her.
Thanks. I've noted the trends and I'll share the model performance data by tomorrow.
A request from the marketing department catches her attention. Customer engagement has dropped, and the company needs answers. The first step is gathering data. Riya pulls customer information from multiple databases to build a complete picture of user behavior. Raw data is rarely perfect, missing values. Errors and duplicates must be fixed before meaningful analysis can begin. Riya begins exploring patterns.
Wait, there's a huge drop here. It's directly tied to the outdated app version.
Visualizations reveal an important clue hidden within the numbers. The data tells a story. Users who haven't updated their mobile app are far more likely to disengage. To predict future behavior, Riya builds an ML model. She compares several approaches and selects the most accurate solution.
Looking at the data, our organic search is driving the most traffic. This means our content strategy is working. Next, we should scale up our successful email campaigns. Our campaign performance is at an all-time high. All key metrics are trending upward.
This is the perfect time to scale.
Our strategy is really paying off.
As the day comes to an end, Riya reflects on her work.